Well, let's see. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. I've been inside doing paperwork. I tell you what, if you have never run your own business, even a one-man business in your garage, as this is, you just don't know the amount of paperwork that keeps it going. There goes another one of our helicopters overhead. I swear they don't maintain flight minimums. I've been told that we have more helicopters in the Phoenix area per capita than just about anywhere else in America because we have such good flying weather. I don't know. Anyway, like I say, it's 1:35, 1:40, and I've been busy in the office, so I'm just going to go over there and do what would probably be considered a cold start because the bike is completely cool. Now we'll see how many kicks it takes. I'm going to do the Kevin style, half throttle, no tickle, and see what happens. Okay, here we go. All right, electrons, power, bedcock. Half throttle. Oh, kicked on me. Oh boy. I'll tell you straight up, that's one of the sweetest little bikes I've ever worked on. I mean, how's that for a kickstart on a cold bike? That'll warm it up a little bit. I'll give it 5 or 10 minutes to sit there, and do another start that we can pretend is a warm start. And I'm ready to say it's okay for the client to come get it. Isn't that just something? The only thing holding me up right now is the battery, because the battery I took out of the bike is so weird. I had to special order it. My normal place, Batteries Plus, didn't have it. But then I'm gonna go check on that battery and find out where it is, why it's not here. And I found out that the battery box on this thing has actually been modified to handle a slightly larger, longer battery, which is the one that was in it, which is the one I've ordered. But I can bend that battery box back up to where it will take the standard battery, and I'll bet you Batteries Plus has one. If that battery is not coming in here in the next day or two, I'll go buy another battery that'll fit this battery box in its stock configuration, and just keep the other battery as a shop spare when it comes in. So that's where we are. I'll tell you what, this thing is sweet. All right, I'll let it sit for a while and do it again. All right, it's 2:15. We're going to pretend that this is a warm start. Here we go. No tickle. half throttle. Let's start over. I'm not going to actually turn on the ignition this time. I am. Okay, well, I'm going to call that successful, and basically I'm ready to turn this thing back to the client. All right, well, let's see, what time is it? It's almost 4:40, and I'm going to do another start on this bike. This would be considered to be a cold start in as much as it hasn't started in the last few hours. Let's see how it starts. Basically, I'm ready to call it done. Tell the client he can have it. All right, we're done.